Hi, today we're on Planke Road in Imperial County outside of Jacumba. Got this abandoned little house or something here. I'm gonna take a look, see what we got. This is March. Let's see here. Looks like a repair shop. How about that? All right. Over here, well, a little platform. Maybe it used to be a building. It's kind of not really sure what it is, but it's abandoned. Whatever we have. Looks like the restrooms over here. Let's take a look here. All right, can you guess which one's the men's room or the females? Well, that's one. And here's another. Anything out back? Lots of cacti here. All right, chollas. We have this is called Mormon's tea. Creosote bushes. More backside here. Lots of shrubs. It's all pretty typical of Southern California chaparral. These shrubs here. And we have creosote bushes, acacias, cat claw trees. Look at this. This is a Menzies fiddleneck. See the top of his head here? Right there? Looks like the top of a fiddle. So they call this guy a fiddleneck. He's actually a barrage. In the barrage family, it's got these pretty little yellow flowers. Amsynchia menziesii. That's his scientific name. Let's check out the back of our little abandoned shelter, or business. Here's the office back here. Nothing too exciting. Look at the way they built this thing. It's like rocks piled up. So not sure how old this is. Maybe early 1900s, I think. This used to be a big thoroughfare from Yuma out to San Diego. It's called Old Interstate or Old Highway 80. As you drive out from Phoenix and then through Yuma and then down to San Diego. Alright. So hey, take a look at this guy here. Okay, this guy's from the genus Erodium. He's called a stork's bill. These are his seeds here. The seed pods look like stork's bills. See that right there? They stick up like that. Pretty little flowers. It's from the genus Erodium. There's a bunch of different species of that little weedy plant. Anyway, you can buy this place if you want. That's all I got today. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.